enne ma Miia Liisat ei tundnud, aga nüüd oleme saanud headeks sõpradeks.
Really funny, we run around and joke. It's really funny when I'm with him.
Today we are running the project called Inclusive Healthy Lifestyle Groups in Schools, which is a European Union funded project, and we are extremely grateful to have it because it has changed participants' lives. We have had around 2,000 participants up to age 25 years old.
Dmitri on muutunud selle projektiga väga palju tugevamaks, targemaks, iseseisvamaks. Ta on juurde saanud väga palju sõpru ka intellektipuudeta laste hulgast.
I like helping people. I learned a lot of tricks from this project.
Ma olen saanud teada, mis on tervislik toit ja ma olen saanud teada, mis on ebatervislik toit.